Jeff Sasagawa, Director of Products at SlingStudio. I want to give you a quick demo of our new platform. It's really the industry first portable and wireless switcher. So what does that mean? It allows you to connect this device here, this is the SlingStudio Hub, to a optional battery pack, and you can take this virtually anywhere. You don't need power, you don't need a network. It automatically connects to these cameras, virtually any camera. So because it has this device called the camera link, you can attach the camera link to virtually any camera, whether it's a camcorder or a DSLR or even a professional camera up there, and it allows you to connect up to 10 cameras and wirelessly stream from those cameras 300 feet away from the camera to this hub. So think of a baseball stadium where you put a camera in the center field or the outfield or a football field. And so that's really the magic of it, but it also allows you to use phones to be able to stream directly from a phone, whether it's Android or iOS, to the SlingStudio. And the way you switch is using this iPad, this interface here. We also support using a Mac for a Mac console. And using the iPad, I'll just demonstrate this. You have your 4 camera inputs here, live inputs. These also can be video imports where you can bring live video into the interface. And this is the preview where you do your live editing, and here's your program. And you can simply drag from from your inputs into preview. And this happens to be this Mac that we've connected here. So you can even show what's on your PC as a source. And you can bring that in. And then this is the preview, so you can do your live editing. You can do, split view. You can bring in this, and you can center it. And you can bring in, this interface, and then you can save it so it's available in the future. You can bring it down and show this split view. And of course, because it's a switcher, it's also a streamer, so you can live stream to Facebook, YouTube, or any other service because it supports custom RTMP. So you have this split view, you can do transitions, you can bring in graphics. For example, it's as easy as tapping the graphics. You have graphics here, you can tap here, you can resize the graphic, you can have it small, and you can even pin the graphic here so that when you have your video, you bring it down into program, it stays pinned, and now if you bring in other videos, it stays pinned. So that could be your logo of your team or your company. You can bring in video imports as well. You can add up to 6 additional cameras by swapping them in by simply tapping here, and you drag and you swap in additional cameras. We only have 4 connected now. It has instant replay, which is a new feature we just recently added. So that's pretty cool. While you're recording, you can do instant replay in the program area where you have replay settings. You can set the duration 1 second to 60 seconds. I have 6 seconds here. You can also do the speed, half speed, quarter speed, or real-time speed. So we'll keep it at half speed. And then all you need to do is press replay. And it gives you that, I think, 7 seconds in half speed. The content's not too exciting, but you can see that it's in slow-mo, and it gives you the instant replay. You could do automatic replay feedback, recording playback in this, and it gives you other options, as I mentioned, being able to do different types of graphic imports and video imports. So another key feature for SlingStudio is the ability to easily import all your production, your recordings, into Final Cut or Premiere Pro. Because first of all, it records all of your files, your camera files, as well as your program and quad and audio, all on one device on the SlingStudio, whether it's an SD card or a USB 3.0 drive. You take your recording after you're done, you connect it to your PC, you open up Premiere Pro or Final Cut, and you can add the extension, or open up the extension and then add the import videos, and our extensions automatically align all of the camera files with the program, all the EDL metadata. It's all aligned, so it's easy to swap out, make edits, In addition to that, you can use that as a proxy. If you record, for example, in 4K natively in your cameras, you take the SD card recordings out of the camera, import them into that proxy, extend the add-on, and you can swap out the files and make a 4K live-to-tape recording. So SlingStudio allows you to not only have that simple setup because it's wireless, the easy editing with the powerful features, but also to be able to do post-production and reduce the hours and hours that are required normally. So it's an exciting opportunity to be able to offer videographers truly the industry first portable and wireless solution at an affordable price at $1,000 as a starter kit. So thanks a lot. Look forward to talking to you later.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.